Alright, so we've got ourselves a 3rd gen Caravan. Arturo, hang on. Slide my glove back on so I don't freeze. It is a 2000, so it is a final year 3rd gen. It is a short wheelbase, as you can see. She's dinged up here. Looks like it was probably rear-ended right here at some point in its life. But they put a new taillight in it and let her roll. It is rusty. Oh, it's a 3-door. It is a 3-door 2000 Dodge Caravan. It is the PGA green, I think. Right? PGR. Yeah, I thought it looked a little off, so it's close. But this has got the Silver Fern interior. It's got the rear vent, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, no fog lights. We have a non-tack dash. Steering wheel has seen some wear. Oh, the headliner is gone. Isn't that neat? I've had some fun. They've cut up in there for something. Is that to add? I bet you that. Why would you do that? To add a roof rack or something? That's kind of weird how they would cut it like that. I don't know. Single climate control, it looks like. There's a earbud there. Factory stereo in it. It's got this interesting floor mat here. That's kind of neat. I don't know if that's factory. I don't think so, but you never know, I guess. It's got an aftermarket center console here for your CDs, your coins, cup holders. Looks like a cooler. And more cup holders. See an owner's manual over there. It's got a glove box under there. I was going to slide this door, but there's no door there to slide. This is custom right here. Oh, she's a tow rig. Oh, look at that. Wisconsin 2023 State Forest sticker. So it's out of Wisconsin. It's got this bumper that had paint on it, so I bet you this was a repaint and they didn't prep it very well. Minnesota State Park, so maybe not. Door could be lubed up. No rear seats in it, as you can see. It's got the, 3-door short wheelbase trim in here. Carpet's just a little stained, not terrible. These doors are all rotten too. It's got matching floor mats. Nothing under there, nothing in there. Light bulb, the other earbud to match that one. Looks like it must have had an ashtray because it's got the Velcro here and the part number. Dented in this door here. Great Grandma's Challenge, Duluth, Minnesota Marathon. 2016 Ragnar, I don't know what that is. That rear wiper is mint with a zip tie. I bet you, I'm surprised I didn't shatter that. It's got like DOT stickers on it. Red Wing Walzers. Oh, that hatch though. Hatch is in pretty good shape. Not bad, not bad. A little bit of rust on the lip. Oh, yeah, it's coming. It does have dual cargo lights. The hatch isn't terrible. I wonder if it got hit here too and they replaced the hatch, possible. Looks like it's got 15-inch wheels on it from 2017. These are the older style, like 1st gen rims, aren't they? They sure look like it. I guess they could have used them on. I don't know. I've not really seen these on 3rd gens, but obviously they bolt up. Left front. So she's had to rotate. Oh, and they are 14s, by the way. Oh. What's under the hood? Dodge emblem's missing. That is a 3.0 V6. It's had oil filtered on in 9/4 of 2023 at 144,000. So this car is sub 150,000 miles. That shock tower looks pretty good. This one has been re-welded. Look at that, guys. Not the cleanest welds in the world, but I don't think I could do that good my welding ain't very good, but I do enough of it to, practice and get better. But no, look at that. That's a nice repair. Keep this old girl on the road. It's got a brand new upper rad hose, brand new clamp, so it's had a thermostat done. Alternator, I don't know, probably original. Belts are all still on it. Special coolant required, as you can see. It's got an aftermarket rad cap, so it's had a coolant service done recently. That's good. Tires look pretty good. Right rear, that one's dented as heck. That's why it's in the right rear, as you can see. Or was in the right rear, so I bet you. Oh, right front. Oh, they just do a flip rotate like that. No crisscrossing here. Inspected with pride. No keys, nothing that I can see. So, I'll take a quick peek underneath, we're gonna call it. That looks like an aftermarket new exhaust. Oh yeah. So, I'm gonna call this episode mostly because my fingers are freezing. But that is a 2000 Dodge Caravan 3-door at U-Polar Parts in Rosemont, Minnesota. Thank you guys for watching.